Hi fam! Welcome back sa ating channel, and this is Miss A, your classy beauty savvy. And finally, I'm back here sa Cavite! Dito na tayo ngayon sa ating room, and finally, makakapag-film tayo ulit ng mga videos that are very style videos. And I've already started planning it out for you guys. And finally, since nandito na tayo sa Cavite after the lockdown, more than 3 months din tayong hindi nakauwi, I am going to show you or share with you a room tour soon. So please don't forget to subscribe. Those who haven't subscribed yet, I see that a lot of you are not yet subscribed. So hopefully you can hit the subscribe button below, hit the notification bell para maging updated kayo every single time that I will upload new videos about home, lifestyle, money management, and everything in between. So ngayon, for today's video, we are going to film all about hair color. So I've already done a review of this Beauty Labo hair color before, and I'll be linking it up here. That's another related content I've done before, so if you're interested to see it, please click that iCard up there. And ngayon naman, we will try a new product. And this is it. This is the L'Oreal Paris Excellence Fashion, and I got this from Shopee for only the two boxes yung binili ko for only 500 plus. So that's a good deal. It was on sale when I bought it. So I'm very happy because it's perfect timing nung nag-sale siya. I really needed a new hair color na for my hair, of course. And again, this one is in rose gold. This L'Oreal Paris color na pinili ko is in rose gold 8.22. Hopefully, this can help the color of our hair become more vibrant and a lot more pantay. Because, I don't know, because as you can see with our hair right now, it looks very terrible. Meron na tayong more than an inch, or sorry, actually isang dangkal na siyang itim, and then ito na lang yung may color, yung roots natin. So we'll try to retouch that and use a different color. So ayan, I'm so excited to share with you this experience. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Let's see what's in the box. We'll see. Let's open it up. Yan. And there we go. So we got the protective colorant, this one. We also have the manual. Meron din tayo nitong Excellence, the Cream Developer number 3. Then we have this one, which is a protective pre-color serum. Then we have, this is the conditioner, protective conditioner, step 4. Ito. So step 3 and 4. Step 1, and this one is step 2. That's right. And then, we just have another nozzle para dito. Yan. Ayan, so lumipat tayo para hindi natin madumihan yung bed. Ngayon, we will try it since na-open na natin siya. Right? So, we'll start with the instructions. So, meron tayong instructions to change into something na black para madali siyang, hindi mahalata kung magkaroon siya ng kulay. Pre-color care muna tayo, and says, use on dry and unwashed hair. Protective serum. Okay, we'll do that. Meron pala siyang kasamang gloves. I
forgot to show you. So, we need this. Okay. We'll have this cut. And then we'll just put this all over the hair. Ooh, interesting. Bang-bango, grabe. Smells nice. It smells so fresh. Dami kong haircol lagi. See? I don't know if you can see that. That's my problem with my hair. Okay, now that we got that, let me just brush my hair. See the bottle? Medyo dark na yung bottle. Like purplish na siya. So that means okay na siya. Now we'll twist the cup open and start coloring! Exciting. Let me just get another mirror so that I can see what I'm drawing. Yan. Saturated na yung buhok natin ng produkto. So, we'll see. We'll see if this one will work. And according dun sa ating pamphlet, itong instruction, we have to wait for 30 to 40 minutes depending nga sa natural hair color mo and kung matagal ba siyang mag-develop sa hair mo. So, I'll leave it for 30 minutes. 40 minutes just to be sure kasi itong area na to ay sobrang dark. What's that color? Parang red-violet. Yan. So, we'll see if this will work. Hindi siya mahapdi sa mata for my case. And hindi din siya, medyo mabaho siya, but not that strong. So, this is tolerable. And what else? Madaming laman yung mixture. So, pwede siya sa length ng hair ko. So, yung hair ko was until here, right? So, kaya niya. That's great. And, yun lang. Ingat lang dun sa bottle kasi yung isang bottle, medyo siguro clumsy lang ako. So, lagi akong natatapunan. So, really, it's a good idea to wear a black shirt for an update. 30-40 minutes. And actually, the 30 to 40 minutes for you guys is just a split second or a very short period of time. I'll see you in a few. Ta-da! Ayan, ito na po siya. Ito na ang kinalabasan ng ating pag-color ng ating hair. As you can see, it's not rose gold yet because my hair is not bleached naman. So talagang hirapan tayong i-achieve yung rose gold na yon. But I'm happy because I still have this second box. So we can try it again. We'll see if we can achieve the color that we want kapag na-try natin siya ulit. So, ayan. So far, dahil hindi tayo nakagamit ng brush to really do it, medyo hindi siya ganun kaganda yung pagkaka-apply ko. Anyway, ito siya. Yan na siya ngayon. I just plancha. Pinansya ko lang yung hair ko to make it look extra. Ayan. I'm happy with the result, but I know that it will become better kung we'll try it again. So, ayun. Meron akong ulit update sa inyo. Abangan niya sa IGTV. So, doon tayo mag-update kung it will work ba kung magsa-second coating tayo. Kumbaga, second coating, second recoloring ng ating buhok. So, ayan, fam. The hair went a lot better. Like, the shade become a lot darker, parang deeper, not darker, but deeper. So, I'm pretty much happy with it. I'll just add more to this. I'll try to color it again para maging mas maganda. So, I can say na ang ating L'Oreal Paris Haircolor Rose Gold experience ay a thumbs up pa rin naman. So, I just need to secure a better applicator. Siguro yung brush talaga para mas maging pantay-pantay yung pag-a-apply natin ng hair color. And let's do another coating para mas ma-achieve talaga natin yung color that we want. So, there you go, fam. I hope you enjoyed this video. I can't wait to film another video for all of you guys soon. And see you again sa ating YouTube channel. So, have a great day. Have a great day. Stay safe, everyone. And see you again next time. Bye!